Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Kerry Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this beautiful 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited. Power for this Highlander comes from a 3.5 litre 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. It is riding on 19-inch alloy wheels, and this is a 7-passenger vehicle with third-row seating. Starting from the side, we've got our silver roof rails up top, the nice deep tinted privacy glass for your passengers and your cargo, and we've got color matched mirrors and door handles, and the mirrors have the integrated turn signals. Moving around to the front, we've got fog lights and this beautiful chrome grille. Inside, we're going to find a whole ton of fantastic features, so let's hop right in and take a look. Taking a look in through the window, if we look up, we've got a beautiful power tilt and slide moonroof. And then throughout, we have this gorgeous saddle tan leather interior. This does carry through to both the second and third row. We've got the two captain's chairs. And right here, we've got the sunshade. Opening up the door, we have, like I said, the two captain's chairs in the second row. And if we take a look over here, we've got the rear climate control, so your passengers back here can adjust it to their liking. And we also have second row heated seats. These seats do slide forward and back and recline to make room for your third row passengers, which is right back there where we have seating for 3. Opening up the driver's side door, we'll find our power locks, windows, and mirrors. And right here is our memory setting for our power driver's seat. We also have a power passenger seat as well. Now, as we get into the vehicle, right here, we're going to find a bunch of options, such as our automatic high beams, auto stop start, our camera view, height adjustable power liftgate, our wiper blade de-icer, heated steering wheel, and rear park assist sensors. Checking out the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. And over here on the right, we have our lane departure alert, forward collision, and controls for info you can access up on the dash, as well as our adaptive cruise control. Now, this is a push-button start. We just want to put our foot on the brake, press the button, and we are good to go. So taking a look up here on the dash, once it loads up, you can see using these controls on the steering wheel, you can access your safety features up here as well, including the blind spot monitor, or you can scroll through and get different information about your vehicle. You can have your turn-by-turn navigation, your audio, and so forth. Moving on over to the center console, we have a full navigation system, plus an AM/FM stereo with a CD player and Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription. And of course, we've got Bluetooth with auxiliary power inputs and USB inputs for your phone or your iPod. Moving down, we have our tri-zone climate control. So we've got our dual zone for up front, and then you can control the rear temperature from up here too, as well as your passengers being able to do it for themselves. And right over here, you're going to find your rear window defroster as well as your heated mirrors. Moving down a bit more, we'll find all of our power inputs, plus our traction control, our snow mode, downhill assist, and locking differential. And moving back on the center console, right here you'll find your heated and cooled front seats. Looking up, this is where you're going to control your panoramic roof. We've got this beautiful wood grain accent trim in here as well. And spinning around and taking a look in the back, your second row passengers can have an absolutely huge amount of room back there, especially if you're not using the third row. But if you are using the third row, they can still have ample leg room while making a great amount of room for those in the back too. So let's hop out and we will check out how these third row seats work and what we have for cargo space. So moving around to the back, if we look up, we've got our rear mounted color match shark fin antenna and spoiler. And we have that rear wiper blade, which is very handy in our BC weather. Back here, you're also going to find your Toyota Highlander and limited all-wheel drive badging. To open up your power liftgate, you can either walk up and touch the button under the Toyota badge. You can hit the button inside your vehicle, or using your key fob, we just want to hold down on the liftgate button and it will open right up for you. So right now I have the third row seats up, and you still have some cargo space there. You can bring your groceries home or what have you. And to put them down is super easy. All we want to do is pull up on this strap here and they just pop right down. It is just as easy to pull them up. You just use this strap and pull and they will pop right up for you. So with the third row seats down, we have a ton of cargo room, and as this is a taller vehicle as well, you can transport much larger items. And like I said, those seats do move forward, so you can increase that even more. To close your power lift gate, you're just going to want to hit that button and you can turn around and walk away and be totally assured it is closed. Now, I know that there is some features on this 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited that I have missed in this quick video walk around. So if you'd like to see it for yourself, come down to 1624 Cary Road here in Kelowna. Or if you'd like some more information before making the trip, please give us a call. One of our product advisors would love to talk to you. Or you can find us online at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this Highlander and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's having a fantastic month. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.